This beach run will have us pulling off Atlantic Avenue at the Garden City Pier and taking a left at the light onto North Waccamaw Drive. From there, we'll head northbound on Ocean Boulevard south into Surfside Beach, ending at the Surfside Pier on the ocean. This will give you a basic point of view from pier to pier on an average late August day 2020. What's up everybody, Beatbox Boone here along with Bunny B, and if you love Myrtle Beach and the surrounding Grand Strand areas just as much as we do, then make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you won't miss a thing. So we were in the neighborhood and decided to take a stroll from one pier to another on the south side of Myrtle Beach. It doesn't seem as populated as it normally is this time of year, but hey, look what we're going through. Several people who haven't had a chance to come to this area in a while have requested us to ride down this area so they can see some of the rentals and condos they normally frequent. So right here, we're just north of the Garden City Pier and heading into Surfside Beach, which is just ahead. Look at them coming and going to and from the beach. These two towns are bumped together, and some people are a little unsure which one they're in when riding down the boulevard. But one easy way to know is Garden City has streets that are named. And once we cross into Surfside Beach, just past Melody Lane, the streets are numbered. There's Oceanside Village. We've been there a few times. And there's the Conch Restaurant. That sounds good right about now. And here's the line. So So for the non-locals in Surfside Beach, the streets go from 16th Avenue south and count down to Surfside Drive, which is at the Surfside Pier. And once you pass the pier, of course, the street numbers begin counting up again. This has all the indications of being a planned town. As you can see, today was a partly cloudy, beautiful day for a drive along the coast. Both towns have multiple places to park as well as beach access, so you don't need to stay right on the ocean. And as you can see, ever since we turned from the Garden City Pier, many people are walking across this boulevard to get to the ocean for fun in the sun. The good thing about these two towns is that both are a bit quieter than Myrtle Beach. You can trade the lights and high-rises just a few miles north for relaxation at your own pace. And although the camera isn't showing it from this angle, we are passing hundreds of places to rent on either side of the boulevard. And from one pier to another, there are multiple restaurants, many with beach view or even right on the ocean. So as we take a ride up here at the Surfside Pier, we hope you enjoyed this quick tour from pier to pier with no peer pressure. Make sure you subscribe for more Grand Strand videos. And as always, keep beaching.